Hello guys, my name is Max and this is Angkor Wat video. It's a good morning in Siem Reap and the bike costs just $5 and it's quite cheap comparing like to the car. All day is like $40. So first thing, to get to Angkor Wat you should buy a ticket, and it's possible to buy a ticket only here as a ticket office. And for one day it costs like $37 and for 3 days it's about $65. I will be here just one day, so it's fine. Paid with a card, so it's like not a problem. To wait, I think it's like about 30 minutes from here to Angkor Wat on the bicycle, and I hope it will be like a good ride. So this is the first temple, Angkor Wat. It's like, I guess, main table. It's just a cool place to hang out, you know, to make photos. And the church is pretty great. It's much bigger than the thing in Bangkok, an ancient city. So these buildings are real fun. Just a lot of places to photos. Places to walk and climb. For me it's time to find my bicycle and move to the next one. Most roads between the temples have this small line for bicycles, so it's very easy to ride around. This way cars don't interfere with your ride. So on the way just encountered some couple of monkeys, and like they're not very playful as was in China, but here you can just, I don't know, but they like, this they want to like steal a bicycle, but no luck for them. So I've checked one more temple, which is like smaller than the main one, but even like more better for photography. And like, because it's like very compact, great architecture photo can be done here. But it's not all. Let's go further. Feels like I reached the point of the day where it's like every temple looks the same. So just one more temple left. It's 5 kilometers from here. This place is famous for the Tomb Raider movie. To make a photo there is a line. Looks like it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful temple. Head back to the bicycles and ride for an hour to the hotel and relax and eat. Starting to get late, and I want to share my final opinion about how it is to do Angkor Wat on a bicycle. On a bicycle it's a bit harder than other stuff. Like, but if you're into the bicycle, you're into sports, there is no at all any problem to do it this way. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like and share what's your thoughts about riding a bike in Siem Reap. See you in another video.